A malfunctioning throttle body can cause a variety of symptoms in a vehicle, affecting its performance and drivability. The throttle body is an essential component of the engine's air intake system, regulating the amount of air that enters the engine. When it fails or becomes clogged, it can lead to a range of issues. Here are some common symptoms of a bad throttle body. Reduced engine performance. One of the most noticeable symptoms of a bad throttle body is a significant drop in engine performance. The engine may feel sluggish, lacking power and acceleration. This can make it difficult to merge onto highways or pass other vehicles. Rough idling. A malfunctioning throttle body can cause the engine to idle erratically. You might notice that the engine idles at higher or lower RPMs than usual. It may also feel like it's surging or struggling to maintain a consistent idle speed. Stalling. If the throttle body is not functioning correctly, it can lead to stalling issues. The engine might shut off unexpectedly when you come to a stop or slow down, which can be a safety concern, especially in traffic. Poor fuel efficiency. When the throttle body is dirty or malfunctioning, it can affect the air-to-fuel ratio in the engine. This can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, causing you to spend more money on gas than usual. Check engine light, cell. A bad throttle body can trigger the vehicle's onboard computer to illuminate the check engine light. This usually indicates that the engine management system has detected an issue related to the throttle body or the air intake system. Difficulty starting. A severely clogged or damaged throttle body can make it challenging to start the engine. You may need to crank the engine multiple times before it starts, or it might not start at all. Sudden acceleration or surging. In some cases, a faulty throttle body can cause the vehicle to experience sudden acceleration or surging while driving at a constant speed. This can be dangerous, as it may lead to loss of control. Hesitation or delayed response. When you press the accelerator pedal, the engine should respond promptly. However, a bad throttle body can cause a delay or hesitation in throttle response. This delay can be particularly noticeable when you need quick acceleration, such as during overtaking. Unusual engine noises. A malfunctioning throttle body can create unusual noises in the engine bay. You may hear whistling, hissing, or sucking sounds, especially when you rev the engine or accelerate. Increased emissions. A compromised throttle body can disrupt the proper air-to-fuel mixture in the engine, leading to increased emissions. This can cause your vehicle to fail emissions tests and contribute to environmental pollution. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Ignoring a bad throttle body can lead to more significant engine problems and decreased overall vehicle reliability. Replacing or cleaning the throttle body, as recommended by your mechanic, can help restore your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency.